Good evening, Ma'am Evelyn. My name is Maika Cicedeño of FM43. What are my financial goals? Financial goals are the personal, big picture objectives you set of how you save and spend money. My financial goals are signing up for a retirement plan, becoming a homeowner, launching a business, reserving money for emergencies, finding a higher paying job, enjoying financial freedom, and enjoying financial freedom. In my opinion, without goals, your journey to financial security is likely to minder. Make more or spend less. There are fundamentally two ways for people to become more financially secure. The first is to earn more, and the second is to spend less. But if I'm going to choose between the two, I'll choose to spend less. Why? Because developing good money habits like mindful spending and knowing the difference between needs versus wants will ensure that you're actually able to enjoy the benefits of money. And lastly, what if your budget doesn't work? One of the most common reasons that budget fail is that people just aren't realistic when they are making a plan for their money. What if my budget doesn't work? The key to success here is to have an extra income. If your current budget or balance is not enough, you may need to look for working overtime, getting a second job, or possibly getting a new higher paying job. That's all. Thank you for listening to my essay.